Get your crunch on with Kuya Arnel's pork chicharrones. Crispy, airy, and exploding with flavor, this is the real deal snack you didn't know you needed. Grab yours on Amazon today.
I always say, don't surrender. Narinig ko yung boses ng mother ko, don't surrender, don't surrender. So yung love for country, bata pa kami, love for country talagang instilled na sa amin. Tsaka excellence sa academics, tsaka sa service.
Welcome to Why Did You? A podcast that celebrates the inspiring journeys of Filipinos across the globe, from mastering their expertise to overcoming powerful life experiences and succeeding in business, entertainment, sports, music, acting, and politics. These stories are filled with resilience, hope, and unstoppable Filipino spirit. Magandang araw po sa lahat ng nanonood at nakikinig. Welcome to another episode of Why Did You? Ang show kung saan i-unwrap natin ang mga kwento ng mga taong hindi lang nagtagumpay, kung hindi nagbago ng laro. And today, we are joined by a woman na kapag binanggit mo ang pangalan, may bigat, may tapang, may wit, at may presensya na hindi mo pwedeng ignore. She is a lawyer, a leader, a former commissioner, a fierce advocate for women, the marginalized, and for truth. And she has one of the sharpest mind and sharpest tongues in public service. Mga kaibigan, Commissioner Rowena Guanzon. Commissioner, maraming salamat po. This interview is very special kasi hindi lang namin gustong malaman ang headlines tungkol sa inyo. Gusto naming maintindihan at maintindihan ng mga tao ang isip at puso behind the fearless woman we all know today. I have some questions here for you, Commissioner. Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta po pala muna kayo?
I'm good. I'm healthy. Well, of course, like most elderly people, I have diabetes and I have hypertension. Otherwise, it's manageable.
Oh.
I'm happy. I take walks every day. I call my friends. And of course, every day po ay hindi ako lonely kasi I feel connected sa inyong lahat. Hindi lang sa Facebook, kundi yung
Oh.
mga nag-message sa akin na mga direct messaging.
Okay po. Commissioner, magsatanong na ako. I know you're so busy and thank you very much for this. Commissioner, bago ka naging national figure, sino ba talaga si Rowena Guanzon? Kung may isang kwento ng kabataan nyo na parang, of course, she grew up like that, ano po yun?
Oo. Yeah. I had a very happy childhood.
Hmm.
Kasi born between 3 boys ako. Pero may ate ako.
Oh.
Ngayon retired judge na siya. Both of my parents are now gone pero I couldn't have asked for more. 8 kami, supposed to be youngest ako pero nagdagdag sila kasi malungkot daw sa bahay. Because my father was the only son. I had no first cousins sa father's side ko. And my mother had only one sister. Ilan lang yung first cousins ko. Siguro ngayon 3 lang sila. And malalayo pa. So, ako, I really grew up with my siblings. At public school, masaya, yung pang ordinaryong bata. Pero bata pa ako, talagang very hyperactive ako. At lagi akong siyempre valedictorian ako kasi siyempre aside from our genes, tatay ko summa cum laude, nanay ko lawyer din. Pero yung siyempre yung mga classmate ko sa elementary school, siyempre I had more protein. Sino ba namang di siyempre valedictorian nga ako. At saka English speaking sa bahay. Pero very strict ang father ko sa academics. Kaya yung po mga kapatid ko, ang kuya ko nasa Amerika, isa cardiothoracic surgeon, salutatorian sa UPPGH Medicine. Yung isa kong kapatid na endocrinologist dito ay nagsumma cum laude din sa pre-med niya. So, all in all, yung pamilya ko, 10 ang doctors, 3 ang lawyers. Kasi
Mhm.
10 dahil may pamangkin ako sa States na ang husband niya ay doktor din. So, pinalaki po kami ng, um, well, more than the simple life kasi may kaya naman, may lupa,
Mhm.
and my parents own the electric plant, you know. So, I grew up na hindi ako nangangailangan. I didn't need much and except I played and
Mhm.
played, laro lang ako ng laro. Then I went to Silliman, pero yung tatay ko talaga, my mother was a politician. Dun ako nagmana ng aking social
Mhm.
skills. Oo. Kasi yung tatay ko, very strict sa academics pero hindi siya nananakit ng
Mhm.
bata. Except yung mga kuya ko,
Mhm.
talagang pinapalo 'pag talagang ano, may ginawang mali, 'no? So, in a way spoiled ako, pero lumaki ako na thinking I could do anything, you see? So, I had that
Mhm.
advantage. Tapos yung parents ko, I see them as patriots. Kasi during the war,
Mhm.
nag-contribute po sila talaga sa liberation ng ating bansa. Ang tatay ko ay World War II veteran and he received the US Congressional Gold Medal from the US Embassy here. Um, he was captured by the Japanese at 17 and incarcerated, but he escaped. My mother's father was mayor during the war, during the Commonwealth. And so my
Uh-huh.
mother uh, was the eldest, around 15 years old. They evacuated because my mother told my grandfather, mayor, na, Papa, don't surrender. Do not surrender. So, which up to
Mhm.
now, um, it rings in my head, you know, when I'm having a tough time and parang ang bigat-bigat ng mga nangyayari, I always say, don't surrender. Narinig ko yung boses ng
Mhm.
mother ko, don't surrender, don't
Mhm.
surrender. So yung love for country,
Parang guidance niyo po ano?
bata
Hmm.
pa kami, love for country talagang instilled na sa amin, tsaka excellence sa academics tsaka sa
Mhm.
service. Talagang my family has a tradition of service. Ah, ibang politika po ang tinuro sa amin, eh, hindi pangungurakot. Kaya hanggang ngayon brother ko, board member siya but, he has a sugar farm. He's a
Mhm.
very, devoted husband. Yung ate ko naman nag-retire as judge at, happy naman siya. And, we have a child with specific needs. Si Greg, he's 27 years old. He's severely autistic, and he has made our lives
Mhm.
gentler and more compassionate. That's why I joined the party list P3 PWD because of Greg, and that I continue my
Hmm.
advocacy for children with specific needs, even when I am not a congresswoman. So, in UP naman, siyempre martial law kami noon. So, rally kami ng rally. Ako,
Opo.
rally ng rally. Presidente ako ng
Uh-huh.
pinakamalaking dorm. Siyempre kasama namin mga kaliwa 'yan. Hanggang ngayon kaliwa pa rin sila.
Mhm.
Pero,
Mhm.
through the years talagang nilaban namin for the sake of the freedom of the young people today. They just don't know how hard
Mhm.
the generation before
Yes,
them,
correct.
meaning us, struggled and fought the Marcos dictatorship para maging malaya sila. Kaya, mga bata po ngayon ibang-iba, pero ako I just think of it this
Mhm.
way na, ah, matutu mat we can still teach them love of country. We can still teach them sacrifice,
Mhm.
'no? Kasi yan nakikita ko ngayon yung mga values na parang ang hirap na hanapin sa bata. Lalo na,
Correct.
napakabilis na ng technology and uh, they want everything instantaneously. Pero kami noon, we had to work hard for what we got as a bonus, di ba? Yung sabi ng tatay ko, "You
Mhm.
go to UP
Mhm.
or you don't go to college." Ay bongga, di ba? Para di ba nakakatakot yun?
Yun ang ano, yun ang, option lang. There's no
So
option.
so talagang yung
Yeah,
volleyball ko,
yeah.
ang bulakbol ko tsaka yung rally ko ng rally may limit. Kasi kailangan kong graduate on time.
Mhm.
Kasi I had a very, um,
Aha.
exacting father. He was the first summa cum laude of
Aha.
Silliman, and,
Wow.
he really taught us, honesty and, service to country. Talagang yung medalya niya nilagay ko dun sa 6th Elvira Guanzon Room sa College of Law po Silliman. If you are from Dumaguete, do visit.
Mhm.
Um, and, in that way sabi niya, kami yung tunay na yaman niya. Kasi before my mother passed
Correct.
ahead of him in 2020, and, before he passed, he said that, kami ang tunay na yaman niya. Kasi, ginawa niya lahat and for our education, and we turned out okay. Kasi we will all and we are all serving our country. Pero yung ano ko, yung temper ko, I have a temper. Siyempre, like most exacting, uh, perfectionist people, I'm very also, I have a very high standard. So at
Yes.
work, I was also very exacting. Okay. So in that sense, it helped me stay honest, no? Because I was in government for 25 years,
Mhm.
including my teaching job in UP
Yes,
for
yes.
8 years. But while I was teaching, I was also practicing law, right? In the field mostly of women's rights. So
Mhm.
mga kliyente ko mostly babae, mga
Mhm.
bata.
Mm.
So sorry, mostly against the husbands. Mostly against the husbands. So
Aha.
that's why I have several
Mhm.
books. If you're interested, you can log on to
Yeah.
UN.org, type Rowena Guanzon, and you'll see my
Oh, okay.
article in the UN, The Laws on Violence Against Women, which, by the
Mhm.
way, November 25 to December 10 is the global campaign against violence against women. And, this is
Yes,
spearheaded
women.
by the United Nations. So I also have, other books,
Oh.
but I think in the, library system of Stanford, you can type my name and you'll see one of my books there. Also, Harvard, you can go to their library system and type my name. Actually, it was a surprise to me.
Wow.
Somebody just, told me na, uh, one of my books is there. So if you're looking for a resource, anti-violence against women, laws in the Philippines, go to
Uh-huh.
un.org, type my name. Or, you can go to
Wow.
the website, and I have articles there in the Philippine Law Journal. So, yun ang ginagawa ko, yung
Wow.
habang naggobyerno ako, nagtuturo ako, nagsusulat ako ng mga libro kasi alam ko naman na kailangan ng mga bata ng, they need role models, okay?
Yeah.
I always make sure na whenever I have too much fun, I restrain myself and say, tama na, baka mapagalitan na ako ng mga pamangkin ko dito. So,
Oo nga.
um,
Opo.
ang payo ko sa inyong lahat, if you have a role model, that's
Mhm.
great, but you 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 live your own life, eh. Eventually, you will find your own,
Mhm.
uh, purpose, and everyone has a purpose, and I think you should all live with a purpose. And the meaning, the meaning of
Mhm.
ano pa ba, para ano pa ba ako nandito kasi I'm 68 years old.
Correct.
So, para ano pa ito,
Wow.
'di ba? Wala naman akong kailangan na. That's why I decided to
Yes.
fight for my country. I decided to continue
Mm.
fighting for my country kasi yung mga magulang ko ganun, eh, they fought for our country, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Imagine yung tatay ko muntik pang mapatay ng mga Hapon, 'di ba? So, love
Mhm,
your country,
mhm.
contribute to its, um, development, and, help fight injustice and poverty in any way you can. In any way you can.
Mm.
Craving something sweet, savory, and satisfying? Kuya Arnell's cooked sweet pork sausage is your new go-to. Fully cooked, perfectly seasoned, and made with love. Just heat, serve, and enjoy. Available now on Amazon. Taste the tradition.
Hmm. Wow. Commissioner, sa panahon ngayon, halo-halo ang maiingay, trolling, fake news, instant opinions. Paano nyo nasisigurong klaro ang boses nyo? What's your mental filter or formula before you drop a signature Guanzon line?
Well, you can tell naman, fake news
Mhm.
because you have means to verify it, 'di ba? Nasa internet na ngayon lahat, eh. 'Pag sinabi
Mhm.
nilang, "Oh, the US, or China bombed Taiwan," 'di ba? You can check that out, right?
Ah,
And, ang ginagawa ko is I don't react right away. I research
mhm.
muna
You think?
and then
Mhm.
almost instinctive yung mga sagot ko, eh. Yung mga nakikita niyo diyan sa Bing Guanzon Facebook because I handle that myself. Instinctive yun,
Oh,
eh.
okay.
Yung 'pag nabasa kong gano'n na sabi ng Department of Trade and Industry ni BBM, ₱500 lang puwede ka namang Noche Buena, eh, ba't ka ba nagrereklamo na gutom ka? Anak ng tinapa, 'di ba? Parang iniinsulto niyo ba kami? Hirap na hirap na nga mga tao makabili ng bigas tapos sasabihin niyo,
Mhm.
500 kayo kaya niyo naman 'tong mabili ng mga ganito, eh, ba't pa kayo nagrereklamo? Parang yung mga tao pa, mga pobre pa pinag-a-adjust niyo sa kapalpakan ng BBM administration na dapat binaba niya ang
Okey.
bilihin ng pagkain, binaba niya na yung ng presyo ng bigas na pinramis niya ng kampanya. At stop niya na yung mga
Okey.
pangurakot at ikulong niya na lahat ng magnanakaw kahit yung pinsan niya. At
Dito, Commissioner, sa New Jersey, meron pong senator dito nakulong dahil merong bribery case, pero nakulong po. Ilang taon na yun? He's over 70 years old pero merong trial and he was found guilty, so he was convicted.
because the US system of
Yun
justice
ang
works.
batas po dito sa Amerika.
Oo, dito ano,
Mhm.
bayaran,
Hmm.
palakasan. Tingnan mo yung, dating presidente ng Peru, nahatulan ng 14 years na
Mhm.
kulong, 'di ba, sa corruption. O sa China, hindi lang natin
Mhm.
naririnig kung anong
Mhm.
ginagawa sa kanila. Baka death penalty dun ng plunder. Eh, dito sa atin ang mga magnanakaw nating pulitiko hindi nakukulong,
Totoo po
nare-re-elect
yan,
pa.
yeah.
Binoboto pa uli ng mga tao.
Wala. Wala po akong masabi, Commissioner, kung hindi
At
po
saka yung
ayan, yan
yung
po ang
drug
ano, yan po ang
addiction.
signature when nag-Wilson. Opo, opo,
It's just me. Ay, totoong tao ako.
opo.
And what you see is what you get. 'Di ba?
Hmm,
Yung puwede rin akong
you get
kumain sa kung
yes,
saan-saan
correct,
lang
correct.
diyan,
Tama po
'di ba?
yan.
Kahit sa tabi-tabi puwede akong kumain, eh,
Mhm,
oh. At
mhm,
tsaka totoong yung hindi peke, 'di ba? Dapat gano'n kasi 'yun ang tinuro sa amin ng parents ko, eh, na lagi kayong yung puwede kayong mamuhay kasama yung mga pobre na sila dapat tinutulungan niyo. So yung kami, ang bahay namin laging bukas yung gate until nag-pandemic when my parents had to isolate. True.
mhm,
Have you ever seen a house na yung gate bukas
mhm,
araw-araw? Amin yun sa Cadiz
hmm,
City. So,
mhm.
mga kababayan, isipin mo na lang magkano ba kailangan mo talaga. Huwag ka nang masyadong mag-save for, Mercedes-Benz, mga ganyan. Puwede namang Toyota ka na lang, tapos i-share mo na lang every Sunday or
And
Saturday dun sa shelter, 'di ba? Yan sa States ang dami niyong puwedeng
mhm,
gawin.
opo. Actually nung, hindi po itong huling bagyo, nung nakaraan pong taon, meron po akong naging program dahil meron po akong maliit na negosyo rin po rito, nagsimula po ako. Yun nga po yung negosyo ko, yung Kuya Arnels po 'no, and it was being sold on Amazon. So I tried to raise a fund para ron sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo, nakalulungkot lang po ako ron sa nakalam ko po na funding. Pagka libre,
Mm.
maraming nakasuporta pero kapagka donation, hmm, wala po akong masyadong nakuha but I still gave. Especially doon po sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Ito pong
Oo, ay,
huling bagyo, nakakaawa po talaga yung nangyari sa mga kababayan po natin.
yes, lalo na po
Mhm,
kayong nasa abroad. Kasi mas marami po kayong kinikita kaysa sa mga
mm,
tao dito. You're in the better
mm,
position to share. Pero tama yung ginagawa mo na hindi ka lang basta-basta nagpapadala ng pera, hindi mo naman alam kung talagang umabot
mm.
dun sa may kailangan. So you
Nakakarating.
also have to choose kung sinong
Oo.
nagre-receive at nagbibigay dun sa mga kailangan. So, sana po maraming nakikinig sa
Ang
atin diyan
ginagawa
sa
ang
US.
mm. Ang ginagawa po namin is, we're sending our check to ABS-CBN Foundation dito po sa California para sigurado po kami na matanggap po ng mga kababayan po natin ng mga nasalanta ng bagyo.
Well, that's good. You can also send, of course, to the Philippine National Red Cross, 'di ba?
Oh,
Kasi
okey.
they're always the first responders, eh,
Opo.
'pag may disaster, may emergency. At saka honest naman po ang accounting do'n sa Red Cross.
Okey po. We'll take note of that po. Commissioner, may tanong po ako. When I say a name, could you just give me what is your word to describe them? Puwede po
Okay,
ba yun, attorney?
okay.
Okey. Let's start with this President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Alright. Vice President Sara Duterte.
Lawyer,
Oh, yeah. Okey. She used to be the Vice President and now the Mayor, Leni Robredo.
role model.
Role model.
Kasi kilala ko 'yan personal,
How
eh.
about
Talagang ano siya,
oh,
matatag siya, matatag siya.
ito po sigurado ako favorite niyo po ito. Congressman Martin Romualdez. Okey. Congressman Kiko from, Cavite?
Funny,
Funny.
funny. Si Chico
Okey.
is funny.
Yun lang po muna. Yeah,
Bukas
yeah.
na ulit.
But he's
Eh,
very intelligent.
oh,
He's very
yeah, but
intelligent.
ang messaging ni Kiko
Opo.
is always, in a funny way. That's why he's catching, attention and the young people. So he's doing it the right way. Because now the voters who are below
Yes.
40 years old comprise 60% of our population.
Attorney, alam ko po busy po kayo. Meron po akong last question and then you could say your parting words po and thank you very much.
Crunchy, bold, irresistible. Habit crispy fried chicken skins brings the heat with real chicken and serious flavor. Low carb, high crunch. Snack smarter, snack habit. Find it now on Amazon.
What are we going to expect from Commissioner Rowena Guanzon in the future, in the next 5 years?
I will continue my advocacy for PWDs and children with specific needs. I might join politics again because I'm 68 years old. But I will also write a book about my family. So, wala pa po akong plano sa 2028,
That's a good.
but pwede po, pwede. Pwede talaga.
Pwede. Senator Guanzon for 2028.
Salamat po, Arnel!
Marinig naman po kami ng mga magagaling na magdebate sa Senado. Hindi po
Oo,
yung
kasi
mga tahimik
naloloka na
lang.
ako sa mga ano doon
Kap
eh, mga ano ba yan? Nakakaloka na yung mga linya nila doon. So, ibalik natin sa Senado yung mga taong marurunong at honest. walang insertion. Ayoko ng ganyan kung akong presidente. Ang
Okay po.
magnanakaw ng mga opisyalis ko, puputulin nila ang mga daliri nila sa harap ng TV. Kaya hindi ako mananalong presidente. Kasi baka lahat sila, wala na silang mga daliri.
Baka maubos sila.
Arnel,
Attorney
maraming
Guanzon,
salamat sa
Commissioner
iyo.
Guanzon, please.
Yes.
Opo.
Uulitin natin to.
You're
Ulitin
welcome po.
natin ito.
Please say your... Oh, yung part
Mga
1 po
kaba-
muna tayo. Just say your
Mga-
short closing statement and then...
Mga kababayan, sundan po ninyo ako sa Rowena Guanzon Facebook. Masaya po doon, Bardagulan. Pwede rin po sa Bing Guanzon Facebook. Pero meron akong bagong programa sa Peanut Gallery or PGMN.
Oh.
Watch me on December 3 at 7 o'clock in the evening. So, my friends, keep on doing good for the country, for your fellow Filipinos and fellow human beings. Love yourself and your loved ones every day. And I hope that you will progress and you will have happiness always. Salamat po. Ito po ang inyong Mama Bing, Rowena Guanzon. Mabuhay po kayo, Arnel.
Thank you, Commissioner. Thank you very much for this. Thank you. Bye-bye po. Due to technical difficulties, nasa labas po si Commissioner Guanzon. So, nakat po yung aming interview. But ganun pa man, thank you very much for your time, for your effort na binigay mo po sa amin para po marinig po kayo na ating mga listeners and viewers. Commissioner, maraming salamat po. Your story today, your clarity, your courage, your humor, and your heart is more than just an interview. It's a reminder that leadership is not a title. It's a calling, and it demands both bravery and humanity. Maraming Pilipinong babae at lalaki ang kumukuha ng lakas at inspirasyon sa inyo. And hearing your journey in this raw, real way is a privilege. Thank you for choosing to speak. Thank you for choosing courage. And thank you for choosing to continue fighting for a better Philippines. This has been Why Did You? Where we ask the question that matter to understand the stories that inspire. Commissioner, maraming salamat po. Sa lahat na nanonood, see you in the next episode. Bye. Thanks for tuning in to Why Did You? I hope today's story inspired you and reminded you of the heart and spirit behind every Filipino journey. This podcast is brought to you by RR Food Ventures Corporation, makers of Kuya Arnel's Cooked Sweet Pork Sausage, Kuya Arnel's Pork Chicharrones, Habit Crispy Fried Chicken Skins, and Habit Pork Cracklings. Technical support and music by Gabby Arrieta. Once again, this is Arnel Arrieta, and you just listened to Why Did You? Until next time!
Classic never tasted this good. Habit Pork Cracklings delivers that old school crunch with modern flavor. No fluff, just crispy, protein-packed perfection. Hit it up on Amazon and stock up now.